Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jacko Jomo. I'm going to be educating you on how to achieve this very sleek high ponytail look, a look you can wear every day and also to work. Please don't forget to like, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. My hair looks like a very messy cornrow. I'm going to be detangling the cornrow right now and showing you the length of my hair. 2 years, guys. Yeah, this is my hair after I finish loosening up the cornrow. Going in, I'm going to be moisturizing my hair with water, shea butter and almond oil, massaging it down to my scalp to avoid that itchy feeling and that dryness whenever I apply gel to my hair. I'm going to be parting my hair into 4 different sections. This allows me to easily comb my hair based on the fact that I do not apply no products to my hair. It gets my hair really tangled up and makes it a very big mess. If you know any product I can use for my hair, please help a sister out and just comment down below for me to try them out. So yeah, this is me after I successfully combed my hair through. I'm going to be using wool to secure my hair bun. I prefer using wool compared to a hairband or a rubber band because wool actually gives me what I want, that it satisfies me, it put my bun in place compared to using a hair bun or a rubber band. Going in, I'm going to be using Eco Styling Gel to lay my hair down. For me, this is just the best. I've not actually tried other products, but yes, this is just the best. I'm going to be using a brush to actually brush my hair down. Of course, you have to use a brush to brush your hair down. Using a got2b glue spray to actually lay my hair further down because my hair gets really stubborn at times. They just decide to do whatever they want to do at their own times. So yeah, laying my edges, I'm going to be going back with the Eco. So I'm pretty sure you guys are wondering, oh, why did she not mat the tip of the bun? I want my ponytail to have this very high top look. So yeah, I needed my hair to serve as a base under whatever extension I'm going to be using to achieve this look. If I had actually matted the tip of my hair, it won't give it what I want, or like it won't create or bring out what I want the way I want it. I'll be using an edge scarf to secure my edges. So I tie it behind me, not too tight though, so it won't create that marking across my hair. This is the extension I'm talking about. This extension is the bomb. I got it from Natural Girls Wig on Instagram. You can use Jacko10 for 10% discount off. You don't want to miss that opportunity. This hair comes with a clip on. It also comes with an extension. You can see me pulling like a string or a band. It actually secures the hair. This hair is not falling off. It's not going nowhere. The texture is the best. I'm not even joking, you guys. This hair, whew, man, I can't even explain it. This is just, oh my god. I'm going to be taking a portion of my hair to wrap around the bottom to create a very neat look. I'm just going to comb that. Taking the other section and doing it in the reverse mode like I did earlier. Using a bobby pin to secure my hair further because this hair is going nowhere. Using a blow dryer to secure my edges and also dry up my hair. that's what my edges and my hair looks like. Yeah, going in again with the got liquid spray to further secure it down. This is what the final look entails. I know guys, it's a bomb. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will really appreciate if my video is being shared. Thank you guys a lot.